hold the ball with your right hand. Small boys, you drill. So pay attention. Left hand to the back of your head. Now dribble the ball between the legs. Set it with your right hand. One hand bounce between the legs, right front. Now when we say right back, ball will come from the back. One hand bounce between the legs, left back. Alright, when we say one hand bounce between the legs, left front, paharap naman, left front. Okay? Pag nawala yung bola, just run after the ball. Okay, it's alright. Okay, look at Coach Philip. Ang pag-bounce ng bola, okay, papunta dun sa left heel. Papunta dun sa left heel. Left back out. Pag left back out, papunta dun sa left toe. Okay, do not toss it or bounce it. Okay, diagonal. Hindi, lalagyan yung bola. Okay, that is one hand bounce between the legs, left back. Okay, wear your blinders. Wear your blinders. Oh, counting yan, counting. Counting every 3 ball, 1 out. Or every touch. Look at coach. Go coach. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ready. Stand up. Stand up. Ready. Oh, hold the ball with your right hand. And left hand, back of your head. Left hand, back of your head. Left hand, back of your head. Ready. One hand bounce between the legs, right front. Ready. And go. Nice shot. Oh, right tabi yung pangsalo. Right hand tabi yung pangsalo. Right hand tabi yung pangsalo. Right back, continue tayo, right back, go. Right back, talikod, kalihan ng ulo. Diba, ganyan ang ulo kanina? Huwag ka ating heel, silo, baba yung point, hindi sa kataas. Baba mo. Nice shot. Sarap. Okay, right to score. So one hand bounce between the legs, right front and right back. Okay, everybody stand up, hold the ball with your left, right hand behind your head, right hand behind your head. Oh, hold the ball with your left. Ang bola dapat nasa kaliwa na, ready. Oh, kamay, left hand sa likod ng ulo. Ready. One hand bounce between the legs. Left front and go. Nice shot. Do it properly. Look at us. Do not lift your knee.